Hi, today I'm going to show a demonstration of a USB HID mouse that I have implemented. This implementation has been done on a 2148 based kit, that is LPC 2148 based hardware kit. Here I'm using 4 switch buttons to implement some of the functions of a mouse, that is left click and right click, which are done by SW1 and SW2 button, and SW3 and SW4 buttons work as the scroll up or scroll down. For the lack of other buttons, I could not implement the left and right scroll buttons. And here's the LCD that shows the events that are happening, especially the right click and left click. This is the cable type A to type B that I have connected to my hardware kit. As you can see, this is a laptop that I'm going to connect to, and here's a device manager for your view. As you can see, other than the ThinkPad alternate pointing device, there is no other mice or other pointing device connected to this laptop. Okay, so now I'm going to power on this board using the laptop. Remember, this is a USB device, so it can be powered on by the USB host, which is the laptop here. So here I connect. So now you can see that the board is powered on. There's a power LED. LCD is now displaying my name. Now let's go back to the hardware device manager of the laptop, and you can see now that we have a HID compliant mouse also in the list of the mice and other pointing devices. Here is the mouse pointer of my laptop, and now I'm going to show you. Okay, so you can see the mouse scrolling down as I press the scroll down button, and now you can see the mouse scrolling up. Okay, now I do a left click, and you can see that the window changes. I still scroll up and again press left click, and you can see the key window, which is now back. Okay, so this is the Windows XP laptop on which this has been detected as a mouse, and now I'm going to take this to a Windows 7 laptop and get it detected. So I now power off. This is a Windows 7 laptop. As you can see here also, other than a ThinkPad alternate pointing device, there's nothing else, and nothing else is connected either here. So now I'm going to connect this USB mouse, that is my kit, and now you can see the board is powered on, and here you have the HID compliant mouse, which is now. Now I can see that I am able to scroll down. Now I'll be scrolling up. I'll do a right click, which shows you that context menu. Then I scroll up a little. I press left click and the context menu disappears. I scroll down. I highlight my mouse on this embedded system Wikimedia link, and I do a left click, and now you can see page is changing, and now we have the embedded system Wikimedia link. Here you can see, as I press my left click or right click, the LCD shows what exactly is happening. So that's about all that this is. This firmware has been developed using the Keel Microvision software. Thank you for watching. Do give me your feedback.